Alright, in today's video, I want to quickly talk about the things you must know and how you can go about becoming a forex trader. I want to give you the step-by-step guide on how you should walk through the journey of becoming a profitable forex trader. Forex is a very large market, so you must understand how it works, the driving force behind it, everything that happens before you call yourself a trader. It's not just about placing trade or whatever. There are things you need to know before you do those things. So the basic things you need to know is that before you start forex trading, you must understand what is forex trading. What is forex trading? What is forex trading? It is very important you know this. What is forex trading? The second, you want to know about currency pairs. Then you want to know about trading sessions. You want to understand London session. You want to understand the New York session. You want to understand the Sydney session, the Tokyo session. You want to be very, very accurate with all these things. Then you move to learning pips, lot size, and leverage, how profit and losses are being calculated. This is the step-by-step guide. Listen to this tip. Spend time learning concepts like market structure, support and resistance, candlestick patterns, and risk management. So the first things you have to learn, that's it. You need to understand what is forex trading, the currency pairs that are being traded in the forex market. You need to understand the sessions that are being operated in the forex market. You need to understand pips, lot sizes, and leverage. You need to understand all these things as your basic. Then you move to understanding market structure, support and resistance, chart patterns, and risk management. Now you will understand risk management when you actually know how to calculate lot size and you understand pip movement. If you know how to calculate your lot size, you can actually work on your risk management. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to choose a reliable broker. Some of the things you should look out for while choosing a broker is the spread. If you don't know what spread is about, you can watch my previous video on forex trading for beginners. You will see I talked about spread there. Then you want to also check out the speed of their depositing and their withdrawing. Now, why do you need this? Why do you need a broker with low spread? Because spread can actually be the reason you are losing a trade that's supposed to give you money. Spread can go against you while the trade itself is not going against you. So you want to go for a broker with low spread. And the broker I mainly use is OctaFS. So I would recommend you go for OctaFS. This is not an ad. I'm just doing this and I'm recommending the broker I use personally. Then the next thing is fast deposit and withdrawal. Why do you need this? There are times maybe you have been so busy within the weekend and now the market is about to open and maybe you have analyzed the market. There is this trade you really need to take and you are just like maybe 30 minutes away from the market to start. So you need a broker that you can trust for that kind of scenario. I know as a trader you don't need those kinds of scenario. You need to be very relaxed, but I'm just saying. So you want to make sure that broker is fast in depositing and withdrawals. That is why I would recommend OctaFS. Then they must have good trading platforms for you to link your broker to. So trading platform like MT4, MT5, or C Traders, I recommend MetaTrader 5. So now listen to this tip again. Avoid unregulated brokers to reduce scam risk. Unregulated brokers. So that's why I am prescribing for you guys OctaFS. Now the next thing you want to do is to open a free demo account. Don't just put your money into the market like that. Open a free demo account. Test what you have known. Test what you have known. Test what you have known and see if you can become profitable from a demo account before you can now move to having a real account. Understand how buying and selling orders, stop loss and take profit works on your trade. So use demo to place trades, loss, make profit, and see how it works before you move to funding your main account. Test your strategies without risking real money. This is the advantage of demo account. This is the advantage of a demo account. So you can test your strategies without risking your own money. So if the market is going against you, you have nothing to lose. If it's going for you, you still have nothing to win. It's just that you now know that, all right, what I did actually played out. This is why I played out. This is why it didn't. So that's the importance of a demo account. Then the fourth step you want to take is learning trading strategies. Learning trading strategies. And popular beginner strategies are breakout trading, trend following, support and resistance. But these strategies, they are not 100% sure. No strategy in Forex is 100% sure. There are some times where you win and there are some times where you lose. But here is what a proper strategy will do for you. It will reduce the amount of losses and increase the amount of winning. You understand? So that's it. Then stick to one strategy at first and master it before moving to another. Don't jump from strategies to strategies. You see your friend using maybe ICT concept and is making money. You want to become an ICT trader. You see your friend using the SMC concept, he or she is making money. You want to become an SMC trader. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. You see this guy using chart pattern, using support and resistance. You want to do the same? No. Master your strategy. Master your own craft. Make your mistakes and make your wins building that particular strategy, not jumping from one strategy to another. Now, this is why if you are jumping from from one strategy to another, you will have to start from that new strategy you are entering. You have to start from the beginning. You have to build. Now, in the course of building, you now go back to that stage where you are still losing money, still trying to understand how the market operates around that strategy. So by the time you are supposed to now become a professional in that strategy, you are already moving to another one. You want to go and start basics from that one again. So you can never be a profitable trader if you jump from strategies to strategies. No, you have to stay with one thing, master it. Whenever you make mistake on that particular strategy, try and find out why you made that mistake and rectify that issue with the next trade. Make sure you don't make that mistake again. Consistency in that will bring you to becoming a profitable trader. The profitable traders you see out there, none of them jumped from strategy to strategy. None of them. They found out what works for them, they stayed with it, and that's what they are using till today. So you want to stay with your strategy. Then the next step you have to take is to create a trading plan. Yes, create a trading plan. Your plan should include trading goals. Trading goals. This can be, I want to make 2 to 5% of my portfolio in a month. I want to do this. I want to do this. Risk per trade. How much you want to risk per trade? How much you are willing to risk per trade? Just create a trading plan that you know will suit your psychology. Then the next thing is manage risk properly. After creating trading plans, risk per trade, trading time, exit rules. Now let me tell you something. Trading is not just a skill you just acquire and you're like, I'm a forex trader. No, you can take trading as a business. You have your time. You have the time of going to the chart. You have your time of resting. You have your time of waking up to observe the chart. So everything should be done in discipline and order. You see, let me tell you something about trading. Trading is 20% your strategy and it's 80% your personality. Because whenever you're trading, you are trading yourself. You are not trading the market. You are trading yourself. The market is never wrong. So whenever you lose a trade, it's up to you. It's your mistake. So you must master your discipline. You must master yourself. You must master yourself before you move into the trade. That is why you want to have a trading time. It is very important. It is very, very important. It is very important. Then you have to learn how to manage your risk. You have to learn how to manage your risk. Now, always use a stop loss. Very important. Always use a stop loss. Avoid trading during high impact news unless you have experience. Now, I'm talking to beginners. If you are a beginner, you don't want to trade high impact news like NFP, CPI, or whatever. You have to give chance. You have to give space for those things. Keep your leverage low. Keep your leverage low. Don't just jump into using all the leverages that your brokers are bringing to you. Keep your leverage low. Then you cannot switch to a real account. After you have mastered all these ones, the 7th step is to switch to a real account. You can start a small deposit you can afford to lose. The money you know you can afford to lose. If I lose this particular money, I know I can still be able to be myself. That's the kind of money you want to start with. So if you are comfortable losing $100, then that's what you should start with. If your neighbor is comfortable losing $1,000, you don't go and put your $1,000 if you can't stand the chance of losing it. So you want to fund the money you are willing to lose. And thank God for OctaFS. You can fund as low as $20. You can fund as low as $20. So that's the advantage of OctaFS. So that's what that. Then trade small lot size. Don't just jump into using standard lot. You want to be the big guys. No, just do it carefully. Stick to your plan and avoid emotional decisions. This is where your greed and your fear won't have control over you. Now, this topic, this stick to your plans and avoid emotional decisions, is a very crucial one. So I'm not going to be talking about it here. It has to do with your trading psychology. It has to do with your trading psychology. Now, keep learning and improving. Review your trading journey weekly. Your trading journal, that's to say you must have a journal where you write out your losses, your profit, and the moment you write them down, you want to take, for example, you had a loss, you had a losing trade today. You want to find out, why do I lose this trade? What happened? And the moment you know it, you write it down. Whenever you want to take trade next time, you check your book to see if that thing would occur in this. Maybe let me say, for example, there is a certain liquidity zone you didn't notice. You want to write it down. Then in your next trade, you want to check if there is, you want to properly do it. So that's the essence of a journal. It's very, very important. Then learn from your wins and loss. Learn from your wins and loss. Stay updated with Forex news. And to stay updated with Forex news, I would recommend you visit Forex Factory. Although OctaFS can still keep you updated too. Now, stay updated with Forex news. Very important. Network with other traders and learn from their experience. This is why I will advise you to join my Telegram community where you meet a lot of traders. The link is on my description. You meet a lot of traders there with like-minded. We all grow together. Yes, it's a place where you can really grow as a beginner. You can join. Signals are also given out where you can take trade from me direct. So guys, see you in my next video, and please make sure you learn Forex trading in the orderly manner and become a profitable trader. See you guys. Thank you. If you're not a subscriber, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educational content on Forex trading that will elevate you. Thank you very much.